In the fast-paced world of online content, YouTube Shorts has emerged as a powerhouse for creators looking to make a big impact in just a minute. Embark on a transformative journey with the 30-day YouTube Shorts Challenge, where creativity meets brevity, and every second counts. Day 1 to 5, define your niche. Start by identifying your niche or passion. Whether it's comedy, tutorials, or mini vlogs, clarity on your content theme will set the tone for the challenge. Day 6 to 10, scripting brilliance. Craft concise yet compelling scripts. Focus on delivering a punch in a short span. Engaging storytelling is the key to keeping viewers hooked. Day 11 to 15, mastering visuals. Experiment with visual elements. Use vibrant colors, snappy transitions, and dynamic shots to enhance the visual appeal of your shorts. Day 16 to 20, embrace trends. Stay current with the latest trends. Leverage popular sounds, effects, and challenges to boost your shorts' discoverability and engagement. Day 21 to 25, interact with your audience. Respond to comments and engage with your viewers. Building a community around your shorts enhances your channel's overall appeal. Day 26 to 30, analyze and optimize. Review the performance of your shorts. Analyze metrics like views, likes, and watch time. Optimize your strategy based on what resonates most with your audience. By the end of this 30-day challenge, not only will you have a library of engaging shorts, but you'll also have honed your skills in creating compelling content within a tight time frame. Ready, set, shorts.